Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon. And I thought I'd do something different. So normally we have a tour of the garden, etc. But I thought, let's go back to basics. Now sometimes in the excitement of growing the newest varieties or trying out some clever hacks, we often forget the simple truths that make gardens thrive. So I'm going to do another series, back to basics, like I did about 7 years ago. So whether you're just starting out or you've been gardening for years, but want to refresh, this is your green-fingered reset. I'll be covering the 5 foundations of plant health, so light, temperature, wind, moisture, and of course, soil. Because understanding these basics doesn't just make you a better gardener, it makes everything easier from seed to harvest. And these are the pillars that support everything else we do in the garden. And without them, things don't thrive, no matter how many tips or tricks that you try. So grab a cuppa, pop your gloves on, and let's strip it back to the bare roots.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. And please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.